Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your invite code in the World app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we get started, the first thing you need to know is that you cannot simply go into the settings and find an option to remove the invite code. It's not possible. Now, the only method that works right now is just by simply creating a new account. This means you need to go ahead and uninstall the World app from your phone list, or we can reset data. So I reckon reset data is the quickest way. So click and hold down World app, and now scroll down, click on the storage, click on clear data, and you want to go ahead and click delete. So what this is going to do, this is all the applications data will be deleted permanently. It's called all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. So go ahead and click on delete, and then from here simply open up the World app again. If you did delete it, just go to your Play or App Store and re-download the World app. Now open the app up and start the sign up process again from the beginning. This time we want to go ahead and click on the sign up button. The World app only allows verification through the Orb service, so you must go to the Orb location near you to complete the identity check. Now, if you get this problem here like I do, just go ahead and click on contact support, and now simply say you want to go ahead and create a new account and delete your old account, and just go through the process with that support chat, and they'll help you guide through creating your new account and possibly even deleting your old account if you want to go down that road.